Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna draw Sukuna from the easiest way. So let's start the video and see what I'm going to do. As we see in the reference photo, mouth seems to be the main thing in the whole face. So start drawing with the mouth, and for the mouth I have drawn this structure with a light pencil first, and then I will be using a dark pencil. I'm using a dark pencil because it will be more clear in the video what I'm drawing, and it will be more easy for you to understand. That's why I'm using a dark pencil, but you don't have to use a dark pencil if you're a beginner. And you might be seeing a sketch already drawn on the paper and being removed. It's also for your easy understanding because in reality I don't draw like this I'm doing now. When I draw this sketch earlier to make the video, I kept on removing, repeating things, hesitating to draw. So if a beginner see me drawing like that, he will be like, oh my god, it's so difficult to draw, how she is doing it. So that's why I just did it. Watch the video till the end, don't leave in between. I'm telling this because it helps to make the video viral and it will reach more people out there and they will be able to learn how to draw Sukuna. It will just help them. Just kidding, it will help me too. I'm done drawing mouth and now I'm drawing nose by drawing a triangle and connecting it to the tip of the mouth and then drawing a straight line upward, and now again using a dark pencil. Draw the nostrils and nose is done. For drawing the eyes, draw two narrow lines like this from that corner of the nose, and then just draw the rectangles and draw the eyes, and you are done. For drawing the eyebrows, draw two lines on both sides from the same corner of the nose, and then draw the eyebrows, and you're done again. And now for the jawline, mark a point near the mouth and one near the eye, and then draw it just like this. It's easy to draw, I guess. Jawline is done, but as we see in the reference photo, corner of the mouth is equal to that corner of the hair. That's how everything is connected to each other, and if you clearly or closely see the reference photo, you will find a link between everything, and then it will become easy to draw for you. For drawing the hair, simply draw that zigzag and it will look good. For drawing this hair, I honestly can't find any easy way because everyone has their own unique hair. But for the face, everyone has eyes, nose, mouth, ear, etc. And we can tell the dimensions and guidelines, etc. to draw these things, but not for the hairs actually. Okay, I have discussed the sketch too much. Now let's discuss something else. If you're still watching the same formal thing, if you are still watching, please like the video, and if you think it was easy, comment down too and tell me, it will make me happy. And for the subscription, if you want to subscribe and if you are sure you want to watch my videos in the future too, you can subscribe my channels too, it will make me happy. Did you hear me? Don't forget to like the video and comment down. I want to read your comments. And like you see, I also drew these facial tattoos. I don't know what are they, but let's call them tattoos. I drew them really through an easy way. So now you don't have to struggle more how to draw these. I made it easy. But tell me in the comments, did you really think it was easy or not? Don't forget, okay? Tattoos are done and here, boom! Color is also done. Wow, I'm too fast. Let's start doing a little bit of beginner shading. Oh, here, blending stamp. I'm gonna do blending with a blending stamp. I can't use cotton because everything needed to blend is so tiny and small, so it's difficult to blend with cotton. Oh, what's that notification? Oh, Jungkook Sama just hit 100 million. Oh my god, wow. Congratulations to Jungkook and ARMYs. Enough of the talking, focus on the video guys. I'm doing blending. Beginner tutorial is done and now I'm going to start the intermediate shading. In the start I will be using the light pencils and slowly I will switch to the dark pencils. Like I will continue to switch pencils from dark to light and from light to dark. And to all of my viewers who are still watching my video, love you so much guys. You deserve an Oscar. Like you are the reason of the growth of my channel. Thank you for your support and let's learn together in my videos. In this video, I'm basically trying a new art style. I never drew like this, but I always wanted to draw like this. You can see I'm continuously switching pencils and I'm showing the grade of every pencil on the top left corner. And all of the pencils that I'm using in this video are called pencil grade. You can ask to any stationery shop in your area or any art supplier shops. Guys, comment down on the video if you like my sketch, if you like the video, if you learn anything, and that's the thing I told in my every video, but I'm still not getting any comments and I'm very sad because of this. I told you earlier that I'm very happy when I received a comment, and especially when it's an appreciating comment, it's make me extremely happy. So I'm requesting you to comment down and tell me how's sketch, how's my work, and how was my videos. And it's a used blending stump. I'm not afraid to use it because the blending I have to do is kinda dark, so it will cover up. removing the extra pencil from the teeth to make them shine. And now I'm using a white paint marker to make the shines everywhere, like in the eyes, on the tongue, on the lips. And finally do your signature and the sketch is done. And here's the final look. I hope to meet you all in the next video too. Bye bye, love you so much. Watch the left video if you want to try another sketch of Sukuna.